Hello and welcome back. We are going to do project number 2 with the Full of Charm Paper Pumpkin Kit for June of 2025. So we've got our card base, we've got our die cut for the front, we've got our secondary die cut for the front, and we have got our greeting blank. We've got our Miss You stamp and we've got our leaf stamp. And I'm just going to pull in my piece of pretty peacock cardstock so we can see. We're going to stamp the Miss You. Okay. And that doesn't look very like it's got a lot of coverage, so we're just going to do that again. There we go. That's better. We're going to pop the Miss You down right on there like that. Great. Okay, let's put that off to the side. We need to do some stamping on the card. We've got our long leaf here, and we need to kind of understand that the stem is going to go underneath the die cut. So this one kind of needs to go here, and this one needs to go here like this. So, okay, let's see if I can remember that and make sure I get them in the right locations. So there's that one, and we need this to go like this. Okay, and then this one needs to go like this. Okay, so our next step is to put tear and tape on the back of this one. So we're just going to grab that back out, find our end, tear that off, pop it down. There we go. And I've overlapped the top a little bit. That's fine. Tear and tape is like an adhesive dot. You can always just roll it back on itself. So I'm just going to tear off another little piece for here, like that, and another little piece for the bottom like this. Okay, so we're going to pop this down, peel this one off, there we go, and peel this off here. Let's try from the other end, see if it's easier at the other end. Okay, there we go. And then I'm just going to roll that back over on itself. And then we'll pop this one as well. This one might need to be rolled back on itself as well. Okay, so we're going to pop this down. We're going to line this edge up. It's the full height of the card. So we're going to line that up right along the edge and into the corner. So they're not too bad with, I've got a little bit of petal or a little bit of stem showing under there. So I don't think that's too bad. I might put a sequin there. So we've got our leaves here that we need to put adhesive dots on. So we're going to pop one on there like that. And then there. And then 3 more, one on each of these last set of leaves here. There we go. And like that, and like that. There we go. Okay, so let's pop the backing off of these ones. Like this. And like this. And there we go, one last one, there we go. Okay, and we are going to pop this down right like that. Press those leaves down, and then we need to dimensionalize our Miss You. They've asked for 4 dimensionals. I'm just going to put 3 on. This is a relatively small piece here. So I'm just going to put that on like that. And I'm going to put this down right here. Like that. Okay, now we need our sequins, and they say we need a large one here, a small one here, and a small one here. I'm going to pop a large one up there just to cover up that little bit of stem that shows through. So then I'm going to put a small one here like this, and then another small one down here like this. So if you make a boo-boo with your stamping, that's either where a greeting or an embellishment goes. So that's project number 2. Stay tuned for project number 3.